Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. My name is Catherine from Tullamore Live, and today we have a really special guest. This is Sue from Wheatland Trees.
Hi.
And she's going to be showing us how to make these beautiful rustic wreaths. So Sue is a horticultural expert, has a lot to share. And as you can see on the back side of this wreath, it has a willow frame. So this is going to be a really special project, and we can't wait to show you how to do it.
14-inch willow wreath frame. You're going to get 10 feet of jute to affix your branches, 10 already assembled branches. You're going to get ribbon.
There will be a little video that Sue will be helping do, showing you how to make the perfect ribbon for your wreath, but you will have ribbon included to make your bow.
Yeah. And also a few bibs and bobs to just, sorry, is that
No, that's good. Bibs and bobs are good, that's what you're getting.
to zhuzh up your,
Yes.
add a little color. These are artificial, by the way. Everything else here is comprised of material that was sourced from Wheatland Trees, the Laurel leaf willow, the Mugo pine, the Colorado spruce, Mugo pine acorns, spruce acorns.
Needless to say, beautiful supplies, smells fantastic.
Fresh.
Yes.
So that should aid in your project lasting a lot longer. The colder the winter, the longer your arrangement is going to last.
Yes, so if you think you don't want cold weather, yes you do. So you can enjoy this for as long as possible. Okay, so is it hard to assemble? Where do we start?
No, we start with your jute. Now, it's already pre-cut for you. This should cover and will cover the entire length of your project. On the end, I've made a slip knot, okay? So I've made a little handle here. This will come pre-made for you. You're not gonna just get branches of willow and be expected to put it together. We've done that for you. So you just thread it through, pull it tight, and grab your first branch. So we're just gonna lay it on top. You're gonna wrap it around. Give it a wrap or two. And the whole point to this is we're gonna layer it. So in order to hide this, we're gonna put our next branch over top. And then it hides that underneath piece. So see how that is covered up there? My next one is gonna go here. Bring this around. Now I try and lift up the branches and tuck it in underneath. I try and secure it in a couple of spots and then really firmly at the end. And then once it's finished for the season, and all you have to do is keep this.
Yeah.
Because you can use that next year for your next project.
So even after the winter season's done, that willow frame can last again for another Christmas, another holiday. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna show you how to put your different things in, from your bippity bobs or whatever we called them, as well as your made bow. If you don't know how to make a bow, we'll be doing a separate video that I'll link so you can click on that easily. So Sue's just gonna fix the different pieces to complete your wreath.
Like I said before, it can be on the side, it can be on the top. If you do it on the top, I prefer that we put ends on it.
Oh, so it dangles down?
Yeah. Yeah,
okay.
It kind of just looks nicer that way.
Yeah.
But if you do place it on the side or on the bottom, I'd place it over here just purely because I don't want to hide my natural formed cone. I would place it here.
So you're looking for an emptier spot
Yeah.
on your wreath.
So there are 2 wires. So all you have to do is wrap it around your wreath, give it a twist at the back, and basically it's just like a twist tie.
So chances are very doable.
Exactly. And we'll just give our bow a little fluff here. And then just to add a little, like I said, a little pop of color here and there, I just wire, these are wires, so all you have to do is insert it and give it a twist. And it'll just give you a little bit of color. Sometimes I group things in 3s and 2s. It just makes more of an impact. What do we look like here? I think we need something up here, don't you?
Yeah, that's looking awesome. As you can tell, I'm Sue's very valuable assistant. I'm here to encourage and hold the bibbidi bobs.
Bibbidi bobs.
Bibbidi
Yes,
bobs.
the zhuzhing.
The zhuzhing.
The zhuzhing material. And one last one,
There
I'm
you
just gonna put it down here. So you can always add, if you want more, my goal was to make rustic wreaths. So if you do, you can enhance it with your own material from home or from your yard.
Well, thank you, Sue, for showing us how to make this fantastic wreath. I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on these, whether you are getting the kit from us or you are assembling your own with Sue's knowledge. And we hope you guys have a happy holidays. Bye.
See ya.